Hi everyone, or as we say in Taiwanese, Zimbabwe. My name is Eddy Tseng. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a dashi stock. In Japanese cuisine, the dashi stock is used a lot in the soup or sauces. Right, let's get started. The main ingredient is the KOMBU. KOMBU is seaweed. As you can see, when you boil the KOMBU, you will sometimes see the white mark dot. All right. In traditional way, we will use the sake to wipe to clean up the all the white mark. But if you don't have, it's no problem. You can just use the water and just clean it. Luckily, I got some sake. What you need to do, just drop the sake into your clothes. Then just gently wipe this, as you can see. Okay, like this. Okay, just roughly. All right. Next step, what you need to do is just soak in the cold water for overnight. All right. And this piece KOMBU, what I got here, should be able enough to soak about 2 liters of the water. Okay. And here, what I got, let me pick up one and show you. Okay, that is, as you can see, this is rehydrate. Okay, you can see the totally the size different. Okay, all right. Okay, now next step is we get the nice big pot, and what we need to do, all water with the KOMBU into the pot. Okay, let's go in. Right, then we bring the heat on. Now we bring the water to the boil. Okay, now it's boiling. Now I take out my KOMBU. Okay, as you can see, this KOMBU already done his job. Okay, already. In this time, we just pour in all our BONITO flake. Okay, remember, very important, once you pour in, switch off your heat. Okay, like this. Now the heat must be off. Okay, then let it set for about just minutes. Then the BONITO flake will start coming down. So now, about a minute later, as you can see, our BONITO flake is already all in the bottom of the pot. So now it's time for us to draining. Okay, prepare yourself. I got here and get a strainer. Be careful, it's very hot. All right, now we start draining our BONITO flake. Just all draining like that. Okay, cool. All right, that is the beautiful dashi stock. All right, and next you can start cooking straight away. But if you, like me, sometimes make a big quantity, if you want to keep, then you can just waiting for cool down, then keep it in fridge. Can use up to 3 days. If you keep it in the freezer, you can keep up to 3 months, no problem. So there is the dashi stock. It's very easy to make it. For more detailed recipe instruction, please check our website by following link below. If you enjoy the show, don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time on Eddy's Kitchen. So there is.